Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select compass of the application on the Gaia GPS. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings icon down below, which is the last option. Now you should scroll down till you find this compass option. Tap on it, and here you should select the north reference, such as true or magnetic. Then you should turn on the compass warning option by tapping on this button next to it, and you can also select the map arrow function. As you can see, the map pointer shows the compass heading. When you go faster, the pointer shows direction of your travel, unless this is set to compass. So tap on course or compass. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.